What's up guys, it's Isaac from Krietz Customs. We're looking at a certified lifted vehicle from our lot. It's a 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat. We're going to be going over the specs on the inside and also the lift wheels and tires that Krietz Customs has added. So let's go ahead and get started. So we chose to do one of our most popular builds for this truck, which is a 22x12 fuel Contra, the D615, which is the gloss black end-milled finish. Your spokes are going to be going from the inside to all the way to the outside, so you're not going to have a lip on this wheel, which is a deep concave. It's going to have a -44 offset, so you're going to have a nice deep dish look, and also have the wheel sticking out 3 to 4 inches on the tire. So I'll go ahead on the back to show you that. You can see here where the fender ends and how much is going to be sticking out. The tire is going to be a 35-1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a all-terrain tire. So you're going to have that aggressive mud terrain tire look, but also have a nice, quiet on-road experience with the pitch pattern that this tire provides. This is the one we put on most of our trucks because most people are going to be driving these on road most of the time. So let's give them the best experience and give them a nice wear life of 40 to 60,000 miles with the proper tire rotations. To fit this wheel and tire package, we use a 6-inch rough country lift kit, which is going to be priced at a great value if you're going to be driving this to work every day and also have fun on the weekends. That pretty much wraps up this build on the outside, so let's go ahead on the inside and take a look at the features of the Lariat. We're going to be taking a look at the screen. It's going to give you nice audio options. You have climate control, you can connect your phone, and also have other apps as well. The next one is going to be the heated and cooled seats. It's definitely one of my favorite features of any vehicle. I love cooled seats during the summer, especially these new vehicles that have that. That's probably one of my favorite features. This vehicle is also going to have plenty of room on the inside. It's also going to have these nice leather seats that are going to be have the sport look to it as well with the red accents. The back seats do have plenty of room as well. The last feature I want to go over is the big sunroof. This one is going to be your panoramic sunroof, so it's going to be wide. Most sunroofs are going to start from about here and then end on this side as over here as well, but this one's going to be extra wide and also go all the way to the back seats as well. So it gives a nice natural lighting. It makes the atmosphere in the truck just a lot better, in my opinion. So that wraps up this vehicle, the features of this Lariat, which has some really nice everyday use features, and also you're gonna be looking good going down the road. So if you like this vehicle, you can check it out on our inventory at KrietzAuto.com, or if you want to build your truck like this, check out our Facebook page at Krietz Customs and get in contact with us. We can't wait to help you out.